Hey everyone, it's Juzo96 and today we're talking about one of the most exciting platforms in Cross ecosystem. If you've ever wanted to turn your knowledge of sports, crypto, or real-world events into rewards, this platform is definitely worth checking out. So let's break down how it works and how you can get started today. So what is cross prediction? So cross prediction is a prediction market platform created by Cross DeFi. So instead of traditional betting, users make prediction on future outcomes such as football matches, Bitcoin price movements, real-world events, crypto-related markets. So the concept is simple. If your prediction is correct, you earn rewards. And the best part is that everything happens directly inside the Cross ecosystem. So the football markets. So one of the most popular features right now is the football markets. With the major football competitions happening around the world, cross prediction allows users to predict match outcomes before kickoff. You typically see option like Team A wins, Team B wins, draw. So parang ganito yan mga brokers, no? So dito guys, sa may Ghana versus Panama mga tol. Let's say something like this mga brokers. So pwede kayo dito pumili guys kung saan kayo tataya, no? Kung saan yung prediction nyo dito. So draw, Ghana or Panama. So kung sino yung mananalo sa kanila. And then meron din dito guys yung mga future matches hanggang mamaya. So sa World Cup to mga tol, no? So, kasi next start na din yung World Cup ng FIFA World Cup. So Uzbekistan versus Colombia nandyan din. Meron kayong pumili ng draw, Colombia and Uzbekistan. And then ito guys, kakatapos lang yung Portugal versus Dr. Congo. So before placing a prediction guys, take a look at available market information and current odds. If you're already a football fan, this becomes even more exciting because you're using your football knowledge to make predictions. So it's easy to understand, beginner friendly, and one of the best ways to get started on the platform. So let me show you how a typical prediction works mga tol. So dito mga brokers, pinaka simple, no? Feeling ko dito tayo guys sa may Ghana versus Panama, no? So mataas yung odds pare na baka Panama ang mananalo dito, pero sa tingin ko magdo-draw, no? Baka magdo-draw to. So dito tayo sa draw mga brokers. And then kailangan natin mag-deposit ng cross mga tol para makataya tayo dito. So deposit tayo guys kahit mga 20 cross. Connect nyo lang yung wallet nyo. And then processing. Then lagay nyo yung pin. Processing, deposit. And then yung ilalagay natin dito tayo sa draw, no, ng Ghana versus Panama. And then lagay tayo dyan guys kahit mga 5 cross lang. And then potential payout natin dyan mga brokers is 6 cross once na tumama tayo dyan, no, ng prediction. So draw ang ilalagay natin. And then dito nung nakaraan, Korea Republic versus Czechia. So lose tayo dito mga brokers, gawa na ang nanalo dito is Korean Republic, no? Natalo nila yung Czechia. Yan, so ayun yung mga previous bet natin. So for now mga brokers, Ghana versus Panama, doon tayo sa draw. So now all you have to do is wait for the match result. So once the game ends, the platform settles the market automatically. If your prediction was correct, your rewards are credited accordingly. So this simple prediction flow makes cross prediction very easy for new users while still being exciting for experienced participants. So if football isn't your thing, cross prediction also offers something much faster. So the BTC 1 minute up down market. So here's how it works. So every round lasts only 1 minute, and you should simply predict, will Bitcoin go up or will Bitcoin go down? So that's it mga tol. So because each round is so quick, it creates an exciting and highly interactive experience. So you don't have to wait for hours or days. Within a minute, you'll know whether your prediction was correct. How to claim cross? So if you're new to the ecosystem, your first step is claiming your cross. So the process is straightforward. Simply follow the official cross ecosystem instruction, connect your wallet, and claim any available cross rewards. So having cross opens the door to participating in the broader ecosystem, including cross prediction and cross DeFi products. So for newcomers, this is one of the easiest way to begin exploring everything Cross has to offer. Now, let's complete the cycle. So, after earning assets with the Cross ecosystem, many users use Cross Forge. So, Forge allows users to buy and sell supported assets inside the ecosystem. So, the process is simple. So, halimbawa guys, dito no, sa may billions. So, if we have billions token na pwede nating ipang-predict, no? So, halimbawa wala tayong billion token na ipang-predict natin dito sa ating cross prediction. So, pwede tayong bumili dito sa CrossForge mga bro. Okay? So, ganito lang yan kasimple. And so, kailangan nyo lang guys ng wallet. So, kailangan nyo i-connect yung inyong wallet. And then, once na connected na yung inyong wallet dito sa CrossForge, ilagay nyo lang yung amount na gusto nyo. So, halimbawa 5 cross yan. So, bibili tayo guys. Yan. And then, kailangan nyo lang i-approve. Napakasimple lang ng proseso na ito mga brokies. And then, once completed mga tol, processing transaction, antayin lang natin ma-complete. So, purchase completed mga brokies. And then, punta na tayo dito guys sa my live prediction. So, dito guys sa live prediction, makikita nyo na agad yung inyong wallet dyan na pumasok na. Or yung token na pumasok na. So, meron na tayong 12,000 na bill token uli. And then, punta tayo dito guys sa bill and sports. Gawa ng hulaan uli natin mga tol, no? Mag-predict ulit tayo dito. Belgium versus Egypt, no? Waiting for resolution. And then, dito tayo guys sa may Ghana, no? So, mag-i-start na itong laban nila guys, 34 minutes, no? So, 12,000 bill. So, if tumama tayo dito guys, tumama yung prediction natin, magkakaroon tayo ng 24,000 bill. So this creates a complete experience where users can participate in prediction market and manage their assets all within the Cross ecosystem. So, Cross prediction combines sports, crypto, and real-world events into one easy to use platform. So, whether you're interested in football markets, match predictions, BTC 1 minute up or down, claiming Cross, or selling on Forge, there's something here for every type of users. So if you're looking for a fun and interactive way to participate in the Cross ecosystem, now is the perfect time to try Cross prediction. So if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So this is Juzo96 and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck with your predictions guys. Peace out mga tol.